Yeah! Back in the gym with the Hodge Twins, aka Twin Muscle Workout,
aka Fasting Twin,
aka Lord Keith and Lord Kevin,
aka BBCs.
Supposed to say Mr. Fellas, Mr. Asians.
Man, whatever, bitch. Man, look at that nice new tank top back in the gym.
Yeah, that's clean, ain't it? That's some clean shit. How about that one? I'm making all kinds of gains. All kinds.
Anyway.
They clean, man. That's some clean ass tank tops, man.
Yeah, man, they clean as hell.
Yeah, they clean, man. Everybody's checking me out at the gym. I'm like, man, where can I get one of those?
You can get it at officialhodgetwins.com. But anyway.
That's where you can get them. officialhodgetwins.com.
But anyway, today was
a full upper body workout.
No, what the hell is a full upper body workout? An upper body workout. Total upper body workout.
Same thing. Different word, same fucking thing.
We're going to do a video on that to discuss it, because I know you guys are going to have a lot of questions. We start off with 6 sets of dips, right?
We did 8 sets of dips.
Sorry, excuse me. I apologize. 8 sets, bitch.
And we put a 25 in between my legs.
Yeah, to add some weight to it.
Add some more resistance, man. Because we've been doing the dips with just
no weight.
No weight.
But that shit's got too easy.
Yeah, it's just too easy, man.
So, but anyway, after we did that, that's a good way to pre-exhaust your muscles, man, for this, the bench, man. So you don't have to go real heavy on the bench. So
yeah, all we had to go
225.
225.
I know this looks like 135, but it's actually 225. And Kevin, well, that's Kevin, and he is going all the way down to his chest. It's just a fucked up camera angle, so foreign police, calm the fuck down.
Yeah, and all these lights, man, this shit's distracting.
It's like aliens attacking.
I don't like working out at this gym and looking up at the ceiling, man. It makes me dizzy, man.
Yeah.
You ever get that shit?
Yeah, man, I get
dizzy, man. You can get dizzy, man. I got them bar come down and bust all your fucking shit up, man.
Yeah.
Snap your shit all up, man. So I'll be closing my eyes.
Then we did, how many sets of decline we did?
Man, that is one clean ass tank top, man.
I asked you a question, man. How many
Look
sets
at that shit. It's clean, ain't it?
Yeah. How many?
Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
I'm looking at it, you fucking bitch.
Now respect it, bitch. Them damn tank tops clean, man.
How many sets of decline did we do?
I don't know, motherfucker.
We did 3 sets. Then we did 3 sets of incline ranking.
Oh yeah. We did 3 sets of inclines, 3 sets of declines.
Yeah, man. Then we got some more tricep action.
Oh man, this felt amazing. This is the first time I ever did this. This is actually where you do what you call them? Them back pops?
Cable rolls.
Cable rolls, man. But instead, we doing these bitch backs.
Man, shut up, man. It's tricep extensions, man. It concentrates on the inner head.
That's not tricep extensions, it's kickbacks, bitch.
Tricep kickbacks, yeah.
It's kickbacks, man. But we do it on the cable rolls, man. It feels amazing.
We doing it with a cable, not... You know,
what?
We did it with a cable. It feels better.
Bitch, that's what I said.
Whenever you work arms, if you got good cables in your gym,
yeah,
I actually think it's better than dumbbells.
Yeah, because it's constant tension, man.
Yeah.
Oh, man, it feels amazing.
We did 3 sets of this. Man, does this give a great pump in the triceps.
Yeah, it gets it in the inner head.
Yeah, man.
The inner head gets all swollen.
Yeah, man. Then we jumped over the back.
Yeah.
We did 4 sets of lat pull downs. Now see, this workout is a chest and arms emphasis. It's a full upper body. Yeah. But it's a chest and arms emphasis. But we did the entire upper body.
Yeah. Okay. On another day, well, we'll explain that in our new, what you want to call it, man?
Our new routine.
Yeah, that's good.
Look at that clean ass tank top.
That shit's clean. It's clean, ain't it?
Yeah, man.
It's real clean.
It's a fucked up angle you got, man.
Oh, man, it's a good angle. Man, why you make them fucking stupid ass faces?
Cause, man, I'm training, man. I'm training hard.
Look at them shoulders.
There's some damn good shoulders, man. Yeah. Them some damn good shoulders.
Yeah.
You can't fuck with me on my shoulders.
Yeah, you can't fuck with me.
Then we jumped over to my favorite exercise.
Look at all that cock arm action, man.
Look at all them veins.
Look at all that cock arm action. Man, my arms felt like they was about 20 inches thick today, man. Them bitches was swollen, man. I bet you they was over 19 with a pump.
Nah, this about 18.
Man, you crazy as hell, man. My goddamn arms ain't no 18 with a fucking pump, bitch.
Probably 18 and a half, man.
Bitch, you crazy as hell. My goddamn arms around 19 inches.
Man, we'll measure them next time,
Man,
bitch.
fuck you, man. You disrespecting me, man.
We did 3 sets of 21s with the dumbbell.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep, sure did.
Did 3 sets.
Look at them fibers in the shoulders, man. Look like you got a heart in that bitch.
Look, you can see it, look.
Look how round them bitches are.
Look. I'm gonna simulate I'm gonna do the heartbeat. Look. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. See that heart beating in that shoulder, bitch?
Hey, man, there's some big ass shoulders, man. Look at that lateral head. It's about to explode.
Hey, man, I'm finna show y'all why my shoulders are getting better. Yeah. I'm finna show y'all.
Yeah, we finna show you.
I think that's the next exercise, ain't it?
Nope. It ain't, bitch.
Oh, it ain't. It's coming up a little bit later, so stay tuned.
It's next to last. It's after this.
Yeah, then we did some hammer curls with the rope with the cable.
Yeah, get some more cock arm action going, man.
Yeah, man. Get that short head. Is it the short head or the long head?
The short head, man.
It's the short head? You sure?
Yeah, it's short head. Short head is for peaks. This gets the short head, man.
Alright, whatever.
Look at them guns.
Look at them shoulders.
Look at that tank top, bitch.
Man, what's up with this fucked up camera angle?
I don't know, man. It's acting weird. That's a clean ass tank top, though.
Yeah, it's clean.
That shit's clean. Look at that.
That is clean.
It's clean as shit. That is one clean fucking tank top if I ever see it.
So, and we did 3 sets of hammer curls.
Yeah.
With the rope.
With the rope.
Dan, this is the secret to great shoulders.
Yeah.
Lateral raises. Get that lateral head. That's what makes your shoulders pop.
Yeah, I think the 2 best exercises you can do, well, 3 best exercises you can do for your shoulders, the front head is going heavy on the bench press and going heavy on your dips. Best for your lateral is these lateral snaps. But man, I've noticed our shoulders have gotten better since we've been doing dips and doing these.
Yeah, we've been.
Look at that lateral head peeking, bitch.
That's our main movement for our shoulders, is these side laterals. But anyway, then we finish off with some ab action. Look at that nice crisp hoodie. Yeah. Man, it is clean.
That is clean. We did 4 sets of these. Yeah. We held it at the top for a split second.
Yeah, concentrate on the contraction when you're hitting abs. That's the key to great abs.
That's key, man.
But all this is just advice. Do whatever the fuck you want to do. Yeah!
Yeah!